Hello, students. Good afternoon. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, again, we are here for Learn Science. Our today's topic is textbook exercise. Lesson number 1, You and Your Surroundings. So, before we start exercise, let's revise the chapter. Our surroundings. Surroundings means the area around us. You can see here different surroundings. So, we should keep our surroundings clean. We should grow more trees. Trees keep the fresh air. Trees keep the air clean. So, clean air make us healthy. If your surroundings dirty, then you should fall ill. So stay healthy, keep your surroundings clean and grow more trees. So let's start our today's topic, exercise. First, we start hard words. Surroundings. Surroundings means the area around us. The spelling of surrounding SURROUNDINGS. Clean. 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 You should keep your surrounding clean. Healthy. 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 You can see in this picture children are playing. So if you healthy, then you can play. If you're not healthy, then you have to take rest. Grow. 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 You can see here growing plant. In first picture, you see that there is a seeds. And fifth, you see that plant. So, plants grow from seed. Tree. 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 Plant. PLANT. Trees grow from plant. When you planted tree, first we called it plant. Save. SAVE. Save means you should protect. Earth. 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 Earth is a place where we all live. The blue part of the earth is water. Earth is a part of solar system. And Earth is only planet in solar system on which living things can live. Waste. WASTE. Waste means garbage. You can see here dirty garbage. Throw. THROW. Moving. MOVING. Car. CAR. You all like car? House. HOUSE. A place where we all live in. Keep. 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 Dustbin. 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 We all throw waste into dustbin. A bucket in which we throw waste is dustbin. Litter. LITTER. Litter means throwing waste anywhere. Now we start exercise. It is a picture of textbook. First we start with true and false. Write T for true statement and false for first. We should keep our surroundings clean. True. If you not keep your surrounding clean, then you fall ill. So, for stay healthy, you should keep your surroundings clean. So, it is a true. Dirty surroundings can make us fall ill. True. Dirty surroundings has germs. Because of that, we fall ill. So, during monsoon, you must your surroundings clean because so many person fall ill in monsoon because of germs. We should never grow trees. Is that true? No. We should grow more trees. So it is a false. If you not grow more trees, then you can't get fresh and clean air. So you should grow more trees because trees also give us food and plants also help in rain. Always throw waste into the dustbin. True or false? True. Yes, you should always throw waste into the dustbin. If you throw waste on road or in house or in school, your surroundings became dirty. So, for keep your surroundings clean, you should grow more trees and throw waste into the dustbin. Trees keep the air fresh and clean. Is that true? Yes, it is true. You can feel fresh air in garden. Why? Because there is a tree. So many trees in our garden. That's why we feel fresh in garden. So trees keep the air fresh and clean. Is that true? Question number 3. Match the following. You should match column A with column B. Number 1. Area around you. You should match area around you with surroundings. But you can also write numbers. You write number 4 in front number 1. Number 2. Dirty surroundings. So what happens when our surroundings dirty? We can fall ill, right? So write number 2 with number 2. Number 3. Dustbin. So where we throw waste? We throw waste into dustbin. Number 4. Clean and fresh air. So we all know that trees give us clean and fresh air. See, here I write number 1. Area around us. So answer is number 4. Surroundings. Number 2. Dirty surroundings. So can make us ill. Number 3. Dustbin. So where we throw waste? In dustbin. What is the number of waste? Number 1. So I write number 1 with number 3. Number 4. Clean and fresh air. So you write number 3 with number 4. Question number 4. Very short answers. Write 2 examples for following each. Okay. So in that exercise, you write 2 names of things. Number 1. Things you see around your house. So, what you see around your house? Yes, someone see scooters, someone see bicycle, someone see trucks. So, here you can write things which you see around your house. I write here tree and house. Number 2. Things you see around your school. So, when I go school, I see car and garden around our school. So, I write here car and garden. There is a one garden near our school. You can write trees also, you can write house also. Whatever you see around your school, you write here. Let's start question answer. So here we write answer in full sentence. Question number 1. What is the area around us called? Anyone remember? What is the area around us called? So, let's write. Answer number 1. The area around us is called surroundings. What we called it? Surroundings. So, wherever you go, your surroundings will be changed. But what is the meaning of surroundings? The area around us is called surroundings. Number 2. Should your surroundings be clean or dirty? Now you check your surroundings. Is that clean or is that dirty? It's depend on you. If you throw waste around you, then your surroundings will be dirty. So you throw waste always into dustbin. Then your surrounding will be clean. So here is the answer. Our surroundings should be clean, not dirty. We can't sit in dirty surroundings. If your surrounding dirty, you can fall ill. You can't breathe also if your surrounding dirty. You run away if your surrounding dirty. So we should keep our surroundings clean. Number 3. Why should you grow more plants and trees? Why should we grow more plants and trees? Trees help us in many ways. So, you should grow more plants and trees because plants and trees are give us fresh air. Trees keep the atmosphere clean, and we all know that trees are also give us food. Trees give us oxygen which we take in breathe. So if you cut trees, then what happen? You don't get oxygen. So if you not have oxygen, you can't breathe. So trees and plants are very important thing for living things. We should grow more plants and trees to keep the air fresh and clean. When you go near factories, what you feel? You feel bad smells. Why? Because there is no tree. And when you go in garden, you feel fresh. Why? Because garden has so many trees. So trees keep the air fresh and clean. That's why you feel good in garden. And you feel bad near factories because there is a no tree. So you should more grow trees and plant. So today what we learn? Hard words, true or false, match the followings, things around you and question answer. So you should keep your surrounding fresh and clean. It helps you in grow and keeps you healthy.
Cleanliness of the surroundings. Keep our home clean and maintain the hygienic conditions. Some of us have unclean personal habits which make it difficult to maintain a healthy environment. You may be clean, may be eating balanced diet and have happy atmosphere at home. But what will happen if your neighbor dumps garbage in the open? What will happen if drinking water supply is not clean? These unhygienic conditions may produce disease, causing microorganisms, and you may get infection and fall sick. Thus, unhygienic personal habits can create health problems for you and the entire community. These precautionary measures should be followed for the health of the whole community. 1. All public places such as the schools, office buildings, bathrooms, cinema hall, etc. should be kept clean. 2. The eating places such as hotels, restaurants, etc. and their surroundings must be kept clean. All eatable items must be kept covered. 3. All public drains and garbage must be covered and some disinfectants should be used. 4. Water should be kept free from germs and microorganisms by using chlorine or bleaching powder. 5. Spray disinfectants over stagnant water so that the mosquitoes do not breed over there. 6. For sewage disposal, proper dumping method should be followed. Waste material should be dumped in pits. Techniques of composting and sewage treatment plants should be installed. 7. Avoid defecating in open. 8. Trees should be planted. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Some waste materials like peels of fruits and vegetables, waste food items, leaves, etc. can easily decay and get mixed up with the soil. They can be used as manure for the soil. These waste materials are called biodegradable waste materials. Biodegradable waste materials like food items, peels of fruits and vegetables, leaves, etc. can be put in a compost pit. After a few weeks, they easily rot and form compost, which is good for soil. Many farmers produce compost in this way and use it in their fields. Waste materials like plastic items and polythene bags do not decay naturally. They are called non-biodegradable waste materials. We should avoid using such materials as they do not decay naturally. Ways of disposing the wastes. Open dumping. In cities and towns, The municipal department collects solid waste materials and throws them on the outskirts of the cities and towns. Open dumping not only occupies a large area but also breeds flies, mosquitoes, rats, cockroaches, etc. that carry germs of different diseases from place to place. Land pit and burning of waste materials. A land pit is a large hole dug in the ground where waste materials are buried. Although it is an effective way of disposal of waste, but it can pollute the groundwater. Burning of waste materials also causes air pollution. Disposal of liquid waste materials. Most liquid waste materials, including wastewater from factories, are discharged into rivers through the sewage system. Wastewater from houses flows away in the drains and meets the rivers through sewage lines. It causes water pollution. Wastewater. Municipal wastewater can be purified through a series of processes in the water purification plant to ensure that water is free from all impurities. Reduce, reuse, and recycle non-biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable waste materials can be recycled and reused. 1. Paper products like old newspapers, magazines, and notebooks can be recycled to make paper. 2. Things made of glass like bottles, bulbs, mirrors, window frames, etc. can be recycled to make glass. 3. Things made of different metals like aluminium, iron, copper, etc. can also be recycled. Most shopkeepers buy old metal utensils and send them to the recycling factories. 4. Waste plastic items like buckets, mugs, bottles, food trays, etc. can also be recycled. Know this: never bring things from the market in polythene bags. Use cotton or jute bags for bringing things.
David and his friends are playing in the park. It's getting dark, and it's time to go home. You must be hungry. Have some snacks.
Yes, but first I should wash my dirty hands. When I play in the park, lots of dirt gets stuck. I use soap and water and sanitizer too. I wash my hands after I use the toilet too.
Now David is doing his homework. Oh, he sees his younger brother putting toys in his mouth.
Oh, my sweet brother, we never take a toy in our mouth. We never take a toy in our mouth. No matter howsoever pretty it is, you never know how unhealthy it is.
It's dinner time.
Let's wash our hands again. I must keep myself clean. I must keep myself clean. I wash my hands before I eat. I wash my hands after I eat.
David shared his day's activities with his family at the dinner table. Now he feels tired and needs to go to bed.
But we need to brush our teeth before we go to bed. When I eat, bits of food get stuck between my teeth. It creates a lot of muck. I brush my teeth in the morning. I brush my teeth in the night. I rinse my mouth after I eat, and I rinse it well and right.
David likes to read books before he goes to sleep. It's a lovely morning.
I need to get ready for school.
David is ready to go to school. Oh my! David cannot pay attention to what the teacher is saying. He is scratching his head now and then. Is there anything wrong? Oh, David has not cut his nails too. David is back at home, but he is not feeling so great. David goes to his mom and speaks to her about the bad day at school. After listening to David, his mom took him to take a shower.
Dust and sweat make my body dirty. Dust and sweat make my body dirty. When I take a shower, I feel fresh like a flower. I take a bath every day. I take a bath every day. I must keep myself clean. I must keep myself clean. I wash my hair, clean my hair, and shampoo my hair too. I comb my hair, I comb my hair. I trim my nails every week, or my mom does it for me. I stay healthy this way, and I'm sure I'm ready to play. I must keep myself clean. Yeah, I know I must keep myself clean.